Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this new electronic lock that I just got. Elamor, and it comes in this really nice box right there. It comes with the manual. It comes with a troubleshooting and installation chart so that you can use it on the app because it has an app. It comes with an all handy template so that if you don't have the hole, you can drill it and give you all the measurements and all of that. It comes with two tags, so again, so that you use them as you just basically tap the lock with it and all the information is there and it will unlock it and lock it. All the hardware, set of keys, and it has one of these in case that the opening here is square, or like in this one, which is rounded. It's very easy. You just install it right here, and then it comes with the two locks. Now it has the one on the back. This one on the back, you have to put the batteries on, and again, that's why you have the extra set of keys just in case you run out of battery. And you have the one in the front. It has, as soon as I plug it, you'll see as the numbers, so you can again use the tag, use your app, and also the key, and also a code. You can have your own personal code. You can also have a one-time use code that will be generated by the app, so you can give it to someone who's going to go home. They use it on at one time. Once it's used, cannot be used again. And also it has a security code, which has, you can put a set of numbers, then your code, then another set of numbers. That way if someone is with you, they don't really know which one is your code. You can unlock it and lock it from your phone, as well as with the code, the key, or the card. So for installation is really easy. All you have to do is, once you put everything in, just attach the wire to the back part of it and you're good to go. And also you can use your fingerprint to program it so that you can unlock it that way. Now that you have it all connected, you can turn it on right there. See the numbers. If you enter the number correctly or the fingerprint is not programmed, you see it tells you verification failed. If I put the numbers, verification failed. So now that you see how easy it is to install, just for the convenience of the camera, the lighting, and everything, I'm going to show you how the app works in my studio. So I have it here just so that it is easier. So now we have the back and the front. Again, this is where all the codes will be entered and you tap it. But again, I'm going to use the phone now. I'm going to put it right here as I'm using it. I'm recording the screen and I just want you to see. So I'm going to push the screen, and again it's showing it right here. I'm going to push it, hold it for a few seconds. And there you go, it's locked. And as it's showing here, it gives me a warning that the door is locked. Now I'm going to push my thumb in there for a couple seconds, unlocked it, and I'm getting a sign that is already also unlocked or clocked in this case. Also, I want to show you, and here is that to obtain the dynamic password, just pushed on it for a second and it's creating, again you'll see it right here, it's creating that one-time passcode or code that you're gonna enter right here and it will unlock the door. So it is really nice, again, because of all the multiple different things you can use to unlock it. Not only the code, your own personal code, keys, fingerprint, and also automatically from here. It is very nice, look very nice. They have different colors. This one is a black one. They have a different, couple different other ones. But again, the fact that I can unlock it, and here we go, lock it back, and it does everything. Again, you can use a card. It comes with two. They're not programmed yet, but you can just tap it over here and it will unlock, and the fingerprint will say that it failed because again my fingerprint is not programmed, and you can use a key. So overall excellent, quality is perfect. I do want to say this because it's very important. They sent me the first one and it didn't work, and in less than a couple days I had a new one here, and this one that is working perfectly fine. But again, customer service perfect, and couldn't ask for anything else. So I hope you guys find it as interesting, as aesthetically pleasing, as good a security as I am.